Hey, this is Anvil, your metal fabrication factory, offering aluminum alloy tube processing services. This video is meant to showcase our Airline seat track. Our Airline seat tracks are made from high-quality aluminum alloy, offering exceptional lightweight properties and excellent durability. These seat tracks are designed to securely and sturdily fasten seats to the aircraft's seat rails, ensuring passengers enjoy a safe and comfortable seating experience during flights. The aerospace-grade aluminum alloy used in manufacturing our commercial aircraft seat tracks not only provides outstanding performance but also offers a lightweight solution for your aircraft, reducing fuel consumption and enhancing operational efficiency. If you have any queries about this remarkable product, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to assist you every step of the way.